Okay, we are now on solving a linear system by elimination. Okay, actually there are no steps on how to solve systems by elimination. But the the best way to do here is to write both equations in standard form. The two equations should be written to its standard form like this. In the form ax plus b of y is equal to c. It should be written to its standard form. Okay. Now suppose, let us try to example 1. Solve 5x minus 2y is equal to 4. 2x plus 3y is equal to 13. Okay. It is very clear that the two equations are already written to its standard form, correct? Okay, because si constant na nasa right side sa equation. So, this would be our equation 1. This would be our equation 2. Okay. Now, if you observe, the second term is for the variable y, and they have opposite signs. The equation 1 has negative 2, the equation 2 has positive 3. So, in this particular example, it is very easy to eliminate y since they are in the opposite signs. So, what you're going to do, okay, to eliminate y, we need to multiply 1 by 3 and multiply equation 2 by 2. Then, we add. Okay, muna siya itong sundon. So, ingon ko, we multiply equation 1 by 3 and we multiply equation 2 by 2. So, what will happen? So, we will multiply first equation by 3. So, you have 5x minus 2y is equal to 4. So, we will multiply both sides by 3. So, this becomes 3 times 5, 15x. 3 times negative 2, negative 6y. 3 times 4, you have 12. Okay. So, next is, we will multiply equation 2 by 2. So, you have 2 times 2x. 3y is equal to 13. So, you have 4x plus 6y. 2 times 13, you have 26. Then, unsa atong gingon, we need to add. Okay. So, we will add the two equations. You have 15x minus 6y is equal to 12. 4x plus 6y is equal to 26. Are we correct? Okay. So we add 15 plus 4, 19x. Negative 6 plus 6, so 0 na siya. Is equal to 38. So 19x is equal to 38. So we simply divide both sides by 19. So therefore, we could have x is equal to what? 38 divide 19. You have, what's the value for x? You have 2. So nalatay value ni x, x is equal to 2. Now, we'll be looking for y. Okay, Since we already obtained the value of x, which is equal to 2, we can directly substitute x is equal to 2 to either of the two equations. No? So, suppose we substitute x is equal to 2 to equation 2. Okay. Substitute. I'm sorry. Substitute x equal to 2 to equation 2. So you have 2, the value of our x, so times 2 plus 3y is equal to 13. 2 times 2, you have 4 plus 3y is equal to 13. So we transpose 4 to the right side of the equation. So this is 3y is equal to 13 minus 4. It becomes negative because we transpose that to the right side, and 4 here is positive. Kung ibahin na ito sa pikas, may mong negative. So you have now 3y is equal to 13 minus 4, that is 9. Okay? So padayon ta, 3y is equal to 9. So we divide both sides by 3. So y is equal to 3. Now we have two values, no? We already obtained the values of the x and y, which is x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3. Okay? Then the next step is for you to check. We need to check if we are correct. So we will substitute the value of x and y to either of the two equations, no? Suppose we'll choose checking ta. Okay, suppose we'll choose equation number 1. Checking, so 5 times 2 minus 2 times 3 is equal to 4. Equal ba sila? Muna atong pag-checking, no? So this is 5 times 2, 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. 10 minus 6, so 4 is equal to 4. So therefore, we are correct. Therefore, our solution set is the ordered pair 2, 3. Okay. Now take note, we're solving systems of two unknowns. So therefore, your solution must be x of the form x and y. No? So dapat inana yang forma. xy yang solution. The point xy. So any questions? Wala. So we could have another example in solving systems by elimination. Okay, so if you have no more questions, let's proceed to another. Pasensya sa trapo. Okay, I have my eraser, but murag na kayo siya maka-erase. Hidugay na po jud class, no? Last, I guess, that was February pa ata to last na klase, or March. Mo pa jud to, dugay na jud kay siya nga wala nagamit ang eraser. Pati niya akong kuan, marker. So let's try another example to that. Okay, example 2. Solve 2x plus y is equal to 3. 5x plus 3y is equal to 10. It's already in standard form. So, and take note, if you observe, the two equations are positive, no, on the left side. Pareha og mga signs. So what we're going to do is to look for a multiplier, a negative multiplier, so that we can eliminate either of the two variables. Okay, it's your choice. You need to eliminate x first, or you need to eliminate y first. So in my own opinion, I can directly eliminate y here because the numerical coefficient of y on the first equation is just only 1. So, dali ra kay siya. This is equation 1, this is equation 2. Okay. Positive y man siya. So, I can look any multiplier. So, what I'm going to do here is I will multiply equation 1 by negative 3 and add to equation 2. So, dali ra kayo. Multiplyan dan ako sa equation 1 by negative 3. Then, after that one, I will add that to equation number 2. So, here, padayon ta. Okay, so I will multiply negative 3 to negative 3 sa equation 1. So, negative 3 times 2x plus y is equal to 3. So, this becomes negative 6x minus 3y is equal to negative 9. So, that would be our equation 1. Then, we add. We add that to equation 2. Add to equation 2. So, what will happen? You have negative 6x minus 3y is equal to negative 9. What is our equation 2? 5x plus 3y is equal to 10. So, very clear, we can directly, negative 3 plus 3, that is 0. So, we could cancel out. Then we have negative 6 plus 5, and that is negative 1. So, negative x is equal to negative 9 plus 10, that is positive 1. Okay, so we will multiply both sides by negative. So, it follows that our x is equal to negative 1. So, now we have the value of x, which is negative 1. Dali na kayo siya, class. If we have already obtained the value of x, now we can get y by substituting the value of x to either of the equations 1 and 2. So, nara sa inyo, unsa man yung gusto. So, suppose ato siyang i-substitute. Substitute x is equal to negative 1 to equation number 1. Okay? Para dali. So, you have 2 times negative 1 plus y is equal to 3. So, kani daw si negative 1, x is equal to negative 1, dili nato siya i-substitute sa equation 1. Katong na i-x. Brayon ta. So, 2 times negative 1, negative 2, plus y is equal to 3. So, y is equal to 3 plus 2, y is equal to 5. Doon na itong value. Nanatay value ni x, nanatay value ni y. Now, to check if we are correct, so mag-checking ta, class. No? Checking. Ato siyang i-substitute. X is equal to negative 1 and y is equal to 5. Naraan ang duwa. No? So, suppose, nari na sa equation 1. So, you have now 2x plus y is equal to 3. So, 2, what is our x? Negative 1 plus, atong value sa y is 5. Is equal to 2. 2 times negative 1 is negative 2 plus 5 is equal to 3. Negative 2 plus 5, that is 3 is equal to 3. That's correct. No? So, samanta, therefore, our solution set is the ordered pair negative 1 and 5. Dapat dili jud ka masayop og sulat, class, sa value ni x ug y. Ordered pair man siya. It should be in this form. Mauna si